Hi, I'm Steve Mann and this is Paper Classroom. Welcome to one of our water and chemical additives tutorials. In this particular tutorial we're going to talk about types of water source. So where do we get the water from to run our paper mills? Well, there are three main sources really. There's groundwater. Now groundwater is water that we extract from under the ground, so we can't see it. So underground sources of water are really boreholes, wells and springs. Now, because this water comes from underground, it's had to permeate through lots of layers of rock, and that rock will act as a filtration medium. So it will have taken out a lot of the insoluble matter or a lot of the suspended solids, if not all of it. And so this is the purest type of natural water that you can get. Now, other than groundwater, there is surface water. Now, surface water is water that you can see on the surface of the ground. So we're talking of things like rivers, lakes, streams and reservoirs. Now the problem with this type of water is because it is on the surface and because it's so accessible, it's going to be or can be fairly highly contaminated. Dead, rotting animals or vegetation, prams, wheels, cars, lots of contamination of all different shapes and sizes and colours. So surface water needs a lot more cleaning than groundwater. And finally, there's towns water. So this is the drinking water that the water industry supply to houses. Now this is the most expensive type of water, but you do avoid all the cleanup costs. And in the previous video, if you remember, we talked about different types of mill: open, partly open and closed. Closed mills very often use towns water. And I think that's all I need to say really. It's a nice short video, this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative and you learned something. I'll look forward to seeing you soon in another one of my videos. Bye for now.